everyone, James Willis from Daly Black here. We're hearing from a lot of you about property claims stemming from the February freeze that hit Texas. The classic example, you had a pipe in your house that broke, froze over, water got into your house. The question we're most often getting from Texans is, does my policy cover a busted frozen pipe from the February freeze? Well, that depends on what your policy says. There are two types of policies that most homeowners and commercial property owners might have. The first type is an all-risk policy. All-risk policy will cover all risk of direct physical loss unless it is excluded in the policy. Now, the way to check to see if your busted frozen pipe is covered under an all-risk policy is to look at the exclusions section. If busted frozen pipes or something similar is listed under the list of exclusions, then it's not covered unless you have an endorsement that specifies otherwise. So, with an all-risk policy, here's what you do. First, identify if it is an all-risk policy. You'll notice a provision that says, we cover all risk, or we cover all perils, or we cover direct physical loss of any type, unless it is excluded under the policy. Then look at the exclusions section. You'll notice certain things like war, terrorism, nuclear hazard, things that are not covered under the policy. Look to see if water leaks or frozen pipes are listed anywhere in the exclusion. If you do find that it is listed under the exclusions, look elsewhere in your policy. You might notice that several endorsements are attached to your policy. Look within those endorsements. You may have purchased an endorsement that does provide coverage from a busted, frozen, leaky pipe. Now, the second type of policy that many people have is what is known as a named peril policy. This type of policy is different than an all-risk policy because rather than saying we cover all direct physical loss or all risk of direct physical loss, or we cover all sudden and accidental physical loss, it will just tell you exactly which perils it covers. So a named peril policy might say we cover lightning, fire, wind, hail, and hopefully for your sake, it will also say we cover busted water pipes or water leaks. Now, again, just like with the all-risk policy, if you don't see busted, leaky, frozen pipes listed in the named perils, don't stop there. Again, you may have purchased an endorsement that does provide coverage. Look further in your policy. You may see a water leak or water damage endorsement. Now, if you can't find whether or not your busted, leaky pipe is covered under the policy, that's where we step in, and we're happy to help. Give us a call here at Daly Black. We'll be happy to answer your questions, and we'll be happy to read your policy with you. Thank you.